Yeah, welcome back, guys. This is Pip Shooter speaking. All right. Yeah, it's been a long time. I really updated. I posted videos on my YouTube. All right, guys. Today, guys, I really am here, guys, with a lot of powerful strategy for you guys to milk the market up and down. All right, guys. So I really want you guys to, if today is your first time hitting up on our channel, please hit the like button, like this video, subscribe, and then turn on your notification bell because, guys, really this time I'm back and I'm back for full. Okay, I'm back in full, guys, with a lot of strategies and powerful teachings about forex. All right, okay, guys, today, guys, I'm really going to be jumping into this strategy. I call it, from the description you saw, sniper entry. I call it the sniper entry strategy. With this strategy, you're going to get a lot of entries. You're going to milk the market the way you want, it. All right, guys. Without wasting much of your time, I don't really want this video to be long, though. So, today I have just two. As you're seeing my screen right now, I just have two. What is it called? I have two indicators on my chart. I have the RSI and the moving average. Okay, see, this is the moving average. The period is 200. The method is exponential. Apply to close. The style, you can choose any style of your choice. The next one is the relative strength index. The period is 14. Apply to close. The levels is 70 and 30. Nothing else. Apply to close down. Okay, so let's jump into this strategy without wasting much of your time. All right, so today, guys, this strategy is very, very powerful. I've been back testing this strategy for the past week or past 2 weeks. Yeah, for the past 2 weeks. That's the reason why I've been so silent about signals. I've not been issued out free signals on both on my VIP. It's been a minimal or something. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how this strategy works. It deals on divergence. All right, guys, based on divergence, I know if you really have a lot of knowledge about divergence or you don't, okay, stay tuned. This video is going to teach you more, though I won't be actually explaining much about divergence, but the strategy contains divergence, how to trade boom and crash with divergence, and also trade forex with divergence. All right, so let's see how this thing works. All right, the 200 moving average is what I use. Okay, I use the 200 moving average to detect my trend. All right, and I'm always on the 15 minutes chart. I don't shift any chart longer or lower. All right, it's either I go to the 5 minute time frame or 30 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame. These are the time frames that I use, and I will tell you the reason why I go down to such time frames at certain time intervals. All right, so let's see how this thing works. As we know, divergence, we have types of divergence. We have the hidden divergence and the regular divergence or true divergence. All right, what is this hidden divergence? Hidden divergence, like the name applies, hidden. It only takes you a professional to actually spot the hidden divergence. All right, so let me show you something right here. For you to spot a hidden divergence, we have the hidden bullish divergence and the hidden bearish divergence. All right, whenever we are in a downtrend, we keep on looking for a hidden bearish divergence. All right, whenever the 200 EMA, sorry, the 200 exponential moving average is above the market, like as in this case over here, when it is above the market, we keep on looking for, we assume the market is in a downtrend, and we keep on looking for a hidden bearish divergence. All right, so this is it, guys. Let me show you guys an example of a hidden bearish divergence. All right, okay, the market crossed over here, right? These days of market crossovers and you know, all this stuff. Okay, so this is where the market crossed over, made a low here, a higher high, a lower low, a higher low, sorry, a lower high, because we're in a downtrend. Once we're in a downtrend, what we're going to be seeing is we're going to be seeing a low, a high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Okay, these are things we're going to be seeing in a downtrend, and as this case may be, we are in a downtrend and we are seeing such scenarios or such structures. This is a low, this is a high, this is a lower low, okay, and over here this is a higher low, a lower high, sorry, okay. Exactly. So since we've spotted something like this, meaning that we are in a downtrend, all right, guys, let me show you guys an example of a hidden bearish divergent. All right, and this is the strategy. It really works. Okay, what's the market? Okay, let me show you guys. So without wasting much time, I don't really want to make this video that long. All right, so over here, guys, follow my what is it called, my cursor stuff. Okay, so over here, see the market over here. The market touched the 200 MA. The RSI is meant to be printing the same market movement as the market. Okay, I mean the RSI is meant to be printing same moves as the market. Okay, so the market made a high over here, touched the 200 MA, it went down. Okay, the market made over a high over here on the RSI, touched the 70 level, it went down. All right, so you see follow the RSI and follow the chart. Okay, down, made a down, did a low here, made a little bit of high. All is under the moving average, meaning we are in a downtrend. Made a low. All right, so made a high over here and made a low. If you are intelligent enough, you would have spotted an error over here. What is this error that I'm talking about? Okay, here is the error I'm talking about, guys. This is a high. All right, this is a lower high. All right, okay, this is a high on the RSI. Okay, hold on, let me change the color so you won't get confused. Right, let me put it yellow. All right, done. Okay, this is a high. The same high over here is what we are seeing. The same high on the RSI is the same high on the chart. Okay, this same lower high over here we are seeing is the same lower high we are seeing over here on the RSI. But let me show you a kind of an error that you spot that you didn't see, but I saw it. Okay, this is what we call divergence. All right, let's trace this. Okay, see, from a high to a lower high. All right, then on the RSI we made from a high to a higher high. All right, as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. As simple as that. Let me change the color of the arrows so you don't get confused too. Let me make it something like green. All right, done. Okay, green, I don't know, green. Okay, the color doesn't matter as far as you guys are getting my point. Okay, so this is something that I really I want to show you guys here. The market on the RSI is making a higher high. This is a high based on the market chart. The RSI is meant to make a lower high, but the market made a higher high on the RSI. Why on the chart the market made a high and a lower high? This is what we call a hidden bearish divergent. So we are calling a hidden bearish divergent because why we said it's a hidden bearish divergent is because it is under the 200 MA. All right, it is under the 200 MA, 200 EMA. Sorry, I keep on calling it MA. The 200 EMA. All right. So as of that point, what you do once you spot a hidden divergence, as of this point, once you spot a hidden divergence, what do? You place a sell. I don't need to tell you what to do. Place a sell. Your stop loss should be above the high of the recent high or the previous high, which is this one. Okay, let's say we now want to place a trade. We caught this hidden bearish divergence. Okay, we want to place a trade. This should be our entry point around this zone. Okay, and then our stop loss somewhere here. Right, you must have calculated your loss. If this trade goes void, what am I going to lose? If this trade goes right, what am I going to gain? So this is your take profit, the last low over here. Okay, this is it, guys. So meaning that all these pips, okay, all these candlesticks, you must have caught it. Well, I caught it yesterday. Okay, I caught it yesterday. I won't lie. Okay, I did. The last thing I will do is to lie about something I did and I know I didn't. Okay, I did it. I caught the divergence. Okay, so this is a hidden bearish divergence. Okay, once you spot something like this, jump into the market straight and you're gonna make it. Okay, see what I'm saying? A high over here, a lower high, but the RSI is printing a high and a higher high, meaning that there is an error in the market structure. So as of that case, you are a gold digger. You take You take advantage of the opportunity you're seeing because this is a hidden bearish divergence. Okay, number two is how would you know it's gonna be a sell? Like I said, whenever the 200 MA is above the market, meaning it's in a downtrend, all right? Meaning it's in a hold on, I will show you guys other more examples about this hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so this is a hidden bearish divergence. Where else are we spotting a hidden bearish divergence? Over here again. Okay, this is a hidden bearish divergence. This is the highest high in the market. All right, okay, let's calculate again. This is a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high. Okay, let's keep going. A lower high over here, like I said. Another, this is a low of recent lows. Okay, so a lower low over here and a higher lower high. Okay, so this is our lower high, which is meant to be higher than this lower high. I don't know if you understand. Okay, this is what I mean. Sorry, I have a little bit of a kata code. All right, so from this high down to this high, down to this lower high. Let me change the color. Make it sound like pink. All right, so from this high down to this high, it is meant to be, that means this high is meant to be higher than this high because we are in a downtrend. All right, I don't know if you understand. We are in a downtrend. This high is meant to be higher than this high. But let's take a look at our RSI. Okay, this is the high. This is the high we are talking about. This is the same high on the RSI. Take a look straight. What are you seeing? You are seeing that the RSI, on the RSI, this arrow, this high over here has gone way far than this high, indicating another error in the market. Okay, indicating another error in the market. Thereby, we have a bearish, a hidden divergence. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, let's trace that. Okay, I know you might not be seeing it very well, but how do I know that this is a bearish hidden divergence? You can use a straight line to trade to trace it. Okay, or you use your cursor. See. Okay, let's zoom into the chart. Let's know if you're going to get a better view. All right, this is it. Okay, you are seeing that this high over here, okay, this high is higher. This high is way higher than this high, indicating a hidden bearish divergence. Your entry point would have been at this point, your stop loss over here, your stop loss here, your entry here. Okay, I would have entered the trade, but I was late to the trade. I was late to the market. Okay, this is all for Bond 500. All right, I'm on hidden bearish divergence. Okay, I'll still go to the bullish hidden divergence. All right, I don't want to make this video that long, so if I'm to explain everything about this strategy, it's way more deeper than you think. Okay, so let's change another pair. Let's look at Crash 1000. All right, this is Crash 1000. Like I said, I'm always on the 15 minutes time frame. Right, let's assume we are in an uptrend. Okay, I said I will still go back to bullish hidden divergence. Right now we are still treating a bearish hidden divergence. All right, so let's check. Let's see, we can stroll back and see what the market has for us. All right, okay, like I said, I turned off my phone. I placed my phone on airplane mode to avoid a lot of notifications coming in. All right, we are looking for hidden bearish divergence. Okay, I spotted one. All right, I spotted one. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. So we have a crossover here. This is a crossover from the market. As you can see, this is a long candle breaking through the the EMA. Sorry. So after that, after the break, we printed a low, a higher high, a lower low, a lower high. Okay, we keep on strolling. Okay, I spotted one over here. As you can see, there's a higher high, which is meant to be higher than this lower high. Automatically, the RSI is meant to print that same move, but the RSI didn't. Rather, we had we have this high higher than this high on the RSI, indicating a hidden bearish divergence. Right? As simple as that. You take your entries, your SL above the EMA, sorry. Your SL, your stop loss above the EMA. Right? This is how I do it, okay? This is how I do it. See? From here, from this low, here, and we pretend a high. As you can see, it's not really that straight. This is a hidden bearish divergence. Right? Let's keep on looking for more divergence in the market. Okay, I spotted another one already. Okay, so over here, guys, this is another lower high. Okay, this is a low, a lower high, a low, a lower high. As you can see, this low is this low is lower than this low. It's printing another lower low, making a lower high over here. So we count this as a lower high. See the chart, okay? See the RSI. The RSI printed the high, the lower high on the RSI, and then we have another lower high over here. Automatically, this high is meant to be lower, it's meant to be higher than this high. What do I mean by higher? Okay, this is the market. If you trace in a straight line, it is higher than this high, which is automatically meant to be the same on our RSI. But trace this market, trace this high down to the RSI. You can see this is the zone, this is the lower high over here. If you trace the market move, as you can see, the market made the same move up. What I was saying, a hidden bearish divergence. If you're not seeing it, let me trace it for you. All right. Okay, sorry, from here. Or rather, if you trace from this high down, we are making a downward movement in the market. Okay, we made a downward movement in the market. But look at our RSI from this zone, all right? Sorry. From this zone over here, right, up to over here. This is a hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence under the 200 EMA is a straight sell. Okay, you can only be taking out. This strategy works 100%. Like for the past 2 weeks, I have been backtesting this strategy. Okay, you only get taken out when your stop loss hits, and this barely does happen. Okay, hidden bearish divergence, if you don't know, or hidden bullish divergence, it shows continuation in the market. As in this case, you will never ever get trapped with the market. Okay, at this point, maybe you think okay, some of you who does ask, is the market going to reverse? If you were able to spot a divergent, be it regular or be it hidden divergent, if you are able to spot the divergence, especially as in the case or at the scenario where it happened, you can be able to tell if this market is going to come to you again or it is going to keep on going against you, right? So we spotted many hidden divergences at this point. So let's keep going. Let's see if we're going to spot more. I believe you guys, we spotted another one. All right, this is another hidden bullish divergence. If you are not seeing it, I am seeing it. This is a lower high. The market is still continuing downstairs, okay, downwards. Okay, the market is still in the downtrend. I told you guys that hidden bullish divergence or hidden bearish divergence indicates continuation of the trend. All right, so we are riding the trend, following the trend. Wherever it's going, we can never ever get trapped, right? So this is still the downtrend. This is printing a lower low and a lower high. Okay, it's printing a lower low and a lower high. Okay, so here again, this is our lower high from where we took our entry. As you can see, how do you mean we took our entry right here? Boom, guys, profit. Or we just place your stop loss, trade it like you're trading forex. Leave it. It hits your stop loss. It hits your stop loss. Never close. Maybe you see 1 or 2 spikes, you close. Don't do it. Leave it. You are riding the train. All right. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, profits all the way. Profits all the way. All right. So I was going to do a live video about this, okay, where I'm trading in. Probably I was going to do that with a small account, maybe a $20 account. I will try and raise it with trading divergence only, okay, but I've never gotten the opportunity. I've not gotten the chance I needed to do that. All right, so let's see the lower highs and the lower low hidden bearish divergence playing out. Okay, this is a lower high. All right, okay, and the market printed a low at this point. The market printed a low Okay, this is the last low, okay, in which took the market upwards, right? So let's print let's point our indicator. So from here, from this lower high, over here, from this lower high down to this lower high, you see, from this lower high down to this lower high, the market is in a downtrend. It's a downward movement, okay? But in this case, maybe something you see this crossing above the EMA, and you'll be like, okay, is this going up? You don't know the trend. You don't know if it can continue upwards. Maybe you can jump in for a buy. You don't know if you can jump in for a sell. You don't know. You can actually come to a conclusion what you're going to do in the market. Okay, see what you do. Check your RSI. This strategy is very, very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. Hidden divergence. See, plot your RSI over here. See, the market is making a higher high. The market is making a higher high. Market printing lower high, lower high. RSI printing higher high, higher high. Hidden bearish divergence. Right? This is it, guys. This is it. Okay, so as a market, as you can see over, after the profit and everything, the market turned, crossed the EMA, and then we are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in an uptrend. Okay, so you don't have to worry about whether the market is in an uptrend or the trend or what, but most importantly, you have to know the trend to know what you're doing, so you don't lose all the time. Okay, but losing is not our thing though. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Whenever the market crosses the 200 MA, changes direction or something. Okay, let me show you guys how you can really spot change of direction in the market. Okay, how you can really spot change of direction in the market. Okay, it was not really spotable right here. I couldn't really spot any though. Okay, let's assume the market now change direction. All right, so how do you spot if this trend is going to continue upwards or is going to keep on? You don't know how just how can you detect if the trend is going to continue upwards or downwards? All right, this is it, guys. This trading of this thing, okay, that's the reason why nowadays I don't really like catching single spikes. It does kill accounts. It kills accounts. Okay, it kills account. So as you can see, there's a lot of consolidations. Nothing came new. I won't actually explain the bullish hidden divergence. Okay, but without wasting time, let me try and throw a little bit of light over there. Okay, and throw light on that. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Besides, we are catching spikes, so no need for explaining the hidden bullish divergence in terms of crash, right? But watch out for the part 2. This is the part 1. All right, so I'll still explain the hidden bullish divergence. I'm still on the hidden bearish divergence, right? Let's keep spotting these divergences. Okay, let's keep on spotting these divergences. All right, this was a clear divergence. This was a clear divergence, guys. Clear divergence, guys. Right? If you didn't spot it or if you're not spotting it, I am spotting it. Okay, the market printing lower highs. Sorry, over here. Market printing lower highs. RSI is printing higher highs. All right, okay, I took it from the wrong part. RSI printing higher highs. It's a very, very great one. See all the way, guys. Profits all the way from here to here. All right, let's check another pair, guys. Let's move to boom 500. Okay, I've explained boom 500. I'm still on the hidden bearish divergence. Okay, let's check. I've checked boom 1000. Okay, no, I've not gone to boom 1000, guys. All right, this is boom 1000. I'm still on the hidden bearish divergence. If you have understood hidden bearish divergence, you're good to go. You can trade. You're not going to panic. Is this market going to cross the EMA? Is this market going to continue downward? All right, today it's no more for you guys. It's no more for you. All right, it's no more for you. So let's see if you can spot. As you can see, the market crossed over here. Let's see if you can spot a hidden bearish divergence in the market. Okay, all right, let's keep rolling, guys. As you can see, something like this, guys, is not a hidden bearish divergence. Okay, don't get me wrong about this. As you can see over here, the market printed a little bit of high, came down, and then went back up. As you can see, the market is on the same level. It's on the same level with the previous lower high. So on the RSI, this making a higher high on the RSI doesn't signify hidden bearish divergence, because normally a hidden bearish divergence should be something like this: a low, the market printing a low and a lower high, and the RSI printing a high and a higher high. So this is a kind of converging, right? This is a converging. We call it divergence. Okay, so call it convergence or hidden bearish divergence. Okay, let's keep on scrolling the market to see if we can spot any hidden divergence. All right. Okay. Right, we were not able to spot any. The market was working accurately. Okay, the market worked accurately right here. I'll still show you guys how you can catch spikes using this strategy. All right, let's look for hidden bearish divergence. Okay, let's keep looking for hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence. Well, as in the case of boom was in an uptrend for the past months. Has been in an uptrend for the past months, right? So this is the case. Okay, as in the case of boom, I'm not spotting anything. Okay, I'm not spotting anything on boom, unless you can go back to the down moving. You can check this divergence at every time frame. Okay, you can really check this divergence at each and every time frame. You can, right? Backtest this. All right, really backtest this. Okay, backtest this strategy. It's really going to help you guys a lot. It's really going to help you guys a lot. I know what I'm saying. Okay, I really know what I am saying. Right, guys. All right, so let me show you guys an example of a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, this will be on the next video. Please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and hit a like button if you found this video really interesting and helpful. Let me show you guys as an example of a hidden bullish divergence. All right, okay, see over here, guys, the market printed a low. Okay, we are in an uptrend, so we are supposed to be experiencing a market structure of a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Okay, don't get me wrong. I said the market is meant to be printing a low, a high, a higher low, a high, a higher high, a higher low. This is the market structure for an uptrend. Okay, so let's see over here. The market printed a higher low over here. Okay, this is where the market crossed. This is the market crossover over here, and the market printed a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high. Okay, this is a high, a low, a higher high over here, a lower high, a higher low. I keep on mistaking this. Okay, so see what the RSI printed for us, right? This is it, guys. This is what we are meant to be seeing on our RSI. This is the kind of structure we are meant to be seeing on RSI. Higher high, we're meant to be seeing a higher low, but our RSI printed for us a low and a lower low. Okay, see, the RSI printed low and a lower low. This is a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, if you spot the sudden move, okay, if you spot the sudden move on the market, okay, or how would you know? I know a lot of people will be like, how would you know when to enter the market? As in the case of that, that's the reason why we have the 30 level and the 70 level on the RSI. Once it's below the 30 level or touching the 30 level, place your entry and leave the market. Give the market space for drawdowns, because that must surely come. Okay, so this is it. This is an example of hidden bullish divergence. All the pips is yours. All right, so this is Pip Shooter signing out, guys. The next video will come in about the hidden bullish divergence, a lot of it, and I'll show you guys how I was able to milk the market previous for the past week, 2 weeks, both on Forex and both on boom and crash. All right, this is your favorite mentor, boom and crash, Pip Shooter signing out.